Hello crochet friends and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the diamond mesh stitch. You have probably seen this stitch honestly everywhere. It is very popular in mesh market bags and bolero shrugs. I'm excited to show you how to do this stitch, so let's hop into it. For your diamond mesh project, you want to chain a multiple of 4 plus 2. Typically, you would be starting your diamond mesh stitch from a band of some sort, so definitely refer to your pattern on how to begin your first row. However, I will be showing you how to do the basic stitch. So we have our chain of a multiple of 4 plus 2. We're going to turn it over and work in the bumps. We're going to skip 1 and do a single crochet into that second bump from our hook. So we'll insert our hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. And then from here, we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Careful not to turn our chain, so like moving our hook or our project, you want to be sure that your chain stays nice and flat. We are going to skip 1, 2, 3, and insert our hook into that 4th chain. And do a single crochet. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. That is our first mesh. So then we're just going to repeat that. We'll chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Careful not to turn our chain. We're going to skip 1, 2, 3, and work a single crochet into that 4th chain. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. And we'll do that one more time, ending with a single crochet in that last chain. So we'll chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then insert our hook into that last chain. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. So you will end up with chain 5s, and underneath those chain 5s, you'll have 3 skipped bumps with single crochets in between and at the ends. That is our first row. You'll start to see the diamond mesh shape come through on our next row. So from here, we're going to turn our work. And then we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to do a single crochet into that chain 5 space from the previous row. So we'll insert our hook underneath that chain, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook, completing that single crochet. So you'll end up with kind of a triangle shape here for the beginning of our row. And then from here, we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And do the same thing. A single crochet into that next chain 5 space. Careful not to turn your chain. And there we go. That single crochet is going to pull up that chain 5 from the previous row, creating that diamond shape. Let's do it again. We'll chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then single crochet into that chain space. And we've reached the end, so we're actually going to do something a little bit different to create that same kind of triangle shape that we have at the beginning of this row. So we're going to chain 2, and then we are going to work a double crochet into that single crochet from the previous row. So we'll yarn over, insert our hook into that single crochet, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through those first 2 loops only, yarn over, and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. And that will create a triangle shape, just like we have at the beginning of our row. And that is row 2. And then from here, we're going to turn our work. To begin this row, you want to start with a single crochet in order to help us with that arching. So we're going to chain 1 and do a single crochet into the top of that double crochet from the previous row. And this gives us a really nice starting point for the 3rd row. So from here, we'll chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're going to skip this single crochet here and go into that next chain 5 space. So we'll insert our hook and do a single crochet, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through both loops on our hook. And then from here, we'll chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And do the same thing. We'll insert our hook into that next chain 5 space and do a single crochet. And then from here, we'll do another chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And for this little triangle-like space here, this is the chain 5 from the beginning of our 2nd row. We are actually going to do a single crochet into the 3rd chain of that chain 5. So that's going to be right in the middle. You can count 1, 2, 3 from this single crochet, as well as 1, 2, 3 from that first single crochet there. So we're going to insert our hook into the middle, that 3rd chain of our chain 5 from row 2. And we'll do a single crochet. And that will complete the 3rd row. There we go. That's awesome. So from here, you're just going to repeat row 2 and 3. So now we're going to repeat row 2. We have our single crochet here, so we're going to turn, and we're just going to do a chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then do a single crochet into that next chain 5 space, creating our little triangle here. And then we'll do a chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we will do a single crochet into that next chain 5 space. And then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll do a single crochet into that next chain 5 space. And then from here, we're going to do our chain 2 and double crochet to mimic that same triangle from that row. So we'll chain 2, 1, 2, and do a double crochet into the top of that single crochet from the previous row. And there we go. So an easy way to remember which row you do what. For row 2, you're going to begin with a chain 5. So then you'll end with a chain 2 and double crochet. For row 3, you're going to begin with a single crochet. So then you will end with a single crochet into the third chain of the chain 5 from the previous row. Once you get that pattern down, then it's pretty easy to remember how to begin and end a row. And that completes our diamond mesh stitch. You will just repeat rows 2 and 3 until your desired length, and you'll get this really awesome mesh look. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell so that you know when we upload a new video. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!